MB tool reviews with a top tip on how to replace the ink in your tracer marker pen. You'll need your tracer pen, some permanent marker ink, and a flathead screwdriver with a large head on it. Start by removing the pen from the case, unscrewing the top, get your refill ink, and I'd say if you're using this type of ink, just to use no more than 5 drops of ink. Give it a few minutes, let it settle into the sponge inside, refill it again after 10 minutes, and then it's good to go. Hope this video was of some help to you. Please remember to like and subscribe.